Quality meets performance with the Malco 7-in-1 C-RHEX Flip Bit Series, a multi-tool that is stackable, reversible, and cleanable. The ultra-powerful magnet keeps your fasteners secure for smoother, faster work. It works on all brands of fasteners, including Malco zip-in and bit tips. Say goodbye to screw wobble and slipping with a secure, precise fit every time. The 7-in-1 Flip Bit includes 3 unique integrated driver heads, number 2 Phillips, number 2 Robertson, and T25 for versatility. It also comes with 3 C-RHEX sockets with 6 hex driver sizes. The 7-in-1 Flip Bit is impact rated for the toughest jobs. It works with any impact driver or can be used with the Connects 3 handle. The Malco 7-in-1 C-RHEX Flip Bit is your new go-to tool on the job site.